What are the protesters here asking for?
Just we want our flag back up and want our MPs to get off their backsides. Peter Robinson, he's doing absolutely nothing. He was the one that at the start put out 40,000 leaflets for us to come out onto the street to protest against the Alliance. And now he's sitting on his backside while we take all the flack. He's calling us rubbish and scum and everything else, you know. But when he wanted us out onto the streets for his election, we came out for him.
Do you think the protesters would accept any kind of compromise when it comes to the issue of the flag?
No, because when the flag, if it's the flag down, that's it down. We know we're not going to get it back up for another election because it's the law, majority rule.
And you